For athletes, life is always on the move, from training camps to tournaments, airports to podiums. But what happens when that pace comes to a sudden stop? For Olympian Anju Bobby George, pregnancy meant exactly that. A high risk situation meant 9 months of complete bed rest, a sharp contrast to her fast paced lifestyle. Imagine going from sprinting down tracks to being confined to a bed, watching your fitness fade, and wondering how or if you'll ever return to peak form. It was physically challenging, but perhaps even more mentally exhausting. Today, thanks to advancements in reproductive health like IVF, athletes have more control over when and how they plan motherhood, giving them options that simply did not exist before. Here's Anju sharing her very personal story in this special feature presented by PSV, a Mankind Group company.
Motherhood again. So my pregnancy was the toughest. So 9 months I was on a bed, so bed rest, and I was gaining weight up to 105 kg, and they gave a lot of injection for some precautions, and that steroids actually I was gaining weight because of that, and I tried after the pregnancy for 2012 Olympics, and it was utter failure. I was not able to move. I was not able to because my body weight was so high, and that I was not able to reduce that in a minimum period, and my joints was actually aching, and it was rigid the knee. I don't know how much I struggled, and I got a injury also on my shoulders. So hats off to her. After
Of
twins.
course, of course.
No, I know the struggle. I know the struggle. So I always tell, after delivery, who are doing sports, it's big challenge for them.
Motherhood challenge which I face, which Anju face, it's different. But if we are strong enough, okay, and not only me, all the mother, all the women, if they are mentally strong, willpower strong, no one can beat you. This is believe it. I believe myself. And you motivate yourself when you are go down, when you are go up. It's how to deal, how to manage. You have to know it. Even I already have 4 kids. Instead of I am doing so many things. I have to wake up in the morning. I have to prepare food. I should get ready for my kids for school and drop them. Sometimes my driver is not well. I have to go and pick them. This is all mother. Only mother can do. I don't think father can do or not. This all thing, feed them. Again, let me tell you that whole day you have to, unless the kids are not sleeping, the children are not sleeping, you have to wake up, alert all the time. And my case is I'm doing my training in between. Whenever I am free, no, I don't want to miss my workout time.